guys, it's Gus, and today on RC Guy Garage. Oh wait, that's that other guy. I'm just kidding. We've been playing around a little bit with some speed tests, and I wanted to just give him a shout out because he's a good guy. If you haven't seen his channel, I'm sure you have because he's a much bigger channel than me. Make sure you check him out. But we're going to be doing some testing today. I did some suspension adjustments that you see on my other video. And, up here. See, I'll post a link up on top so you can check out the adjustments and stuff I did. But yeah, we're going to check, see how it bashes now, how it handles, and see if I can get any faster. I know it's not a speed truck. There's been some guys that are like, oh, it's not a speed truck. No, I know. We're just playing around, having a good time, you know, enjoying RCs. And we're going to see, I'm just going to see if it goes any faster. I basically didn't do anything besides lower it down. And I, since my last video, I did switch over to the XT90s. So we'll see. And the other thing you notice here, it's just sitting on here for now. But I ordered one of these. I know people who like collecting stuff are gonna be like, oh, don't ruin that old Parma body. Well, I'm going to, so I'm going to put a roll cage inside, either a clipless body connection or something, but yeah, I want to have it, you know, make sure it's reinforced, even though the reason I want to use these bodies is these bodies are actually really thick and they're tough. I mean, this body's probably 15 years old and it's, you know, it's in really good shape yet. And this was actually on my son's truck and he's beat the crap out of it and there's no cracks. Knocked all the paint off it, if you can see here. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to have reinforced bars. I'm actually going to have bars that that are stuck to the body that actually go to the chassis. So if you do land upside down, it doesn't just fold the body in half. So I'm going to make some skids for the top, and this is like I said before, this is going to be my Project Godzilla. It's going to be a Godzilla themed monster truck basher, and yeah, I think it'll turn out pretty good. But anyway, enough babbling. We're going to get outside and do some do a speed run real quick. I did pick up, or I should say I finally got my new speed meter. The last one flipped and it quit working. Not sure why, but it did, so we're gonna give that a whirl. I'm also hoping I can get a little better speed because with the phone they don't register as quick, so it's harder to get a good top speed because you have to hold it for longer. So I could be wrong, I could just be doing it for no reason whatsoever, but for me it's fun, so that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, we'll catch you outside. Alright guys, here we go. I'm gonna give her a speed run if I can get a break in the traffic here. That was not full throttle. $51, and I had more to go. Oh, there goes the speed beater.
Holy tumble. Hopefully I can find a speed meter. Oh, maybe the speed meter's on there. I saw something go flying. $52. I'm not sure what went flying, but something went flying. You see that before it was pretty chippy, but since I changed the suspension, it's like she's not chippy at all. Look at that, 55 miles an hour. Yeah, 55 miles an hour. It did make a difference. Now when I check my battery, because before when I was doing the speed run, she got good and hot. Ice cold. Motor's even cooler. I can actually hold my finger on it now. So putting this connector on definitely made a difference. Alright, enough of this speed test crap. We are going to go do some playing. Pop this thing off of here. One thing I like, if you watch here, you really actually have to stab her pretty good now to pop a wheelie, which is great. But if you can see, you still got plenty of power. Do backflips, standing backflips. Yeah, but this thing is so much more stable now. Like before, if I would pop a wheelie in a turn like that, she'd flip over, and now it's so much better. Whoop. It's so easy to do backflips. I just love that. That was not how I wanted to do that. Or that. Today she's pretty warm. We're about 26 or 7 degrees today. Still cold enough to break stuff though. My jump is getting melted. I can't do my front flips anymore. Makes it more difficult. I don't want to do it over there because then I hit the tree. You can tell, driving in the snow is hard because sometimes it'll launch you like crazy, the next time it doesn't.
Well, here we are back in the shop. I apologize for the loss of my bash footage. I don't know what happened. I ran the whole battery out, and next thing you know, I come in and it cut out on me. But you can see it definitely made a difference in handling. Driving on blacktop and dirt and stuff before, when you turn it pretty good, it would actually, what you want to say, you know, it would flip easy, especially if you're wheeling and you turn when it comes down, it would just tumble, and it doesn't do that anymore. It's so much better. I'm really happy. So now I just got to get on with the build. I was really happy with the motor. I mean, the motor was just barely warm. And last time it only took me like 2 speed or passes, and the wires were hot and the motor was hot. So yeah, I would definitely recommend swapping that out. If you want to run 2.3S, what I would do is I'd probably run 2 of these and shorten the wires up a little bit, because I mean there's like 6 feet of wire on here stock. But yeah, that's all we got for today, and pretty happy. Got to 55 miles an hour. I figured putting that connector on there would make a difference. So yeah, we'll catch y'all later, and hope you enjoyed the video.